Welcome. Wherever you are, whatever's going on in your life right now, this is your time to pause, to breathe, to be here in this moment. So let's begin by gently settling into stillness. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels most natural to you. Let your hands rest softly. Let your eyes close. This is your space, your time. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your next breath be a little slower, a little deeper. Feel your body begin to settle. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Gently scan downward through your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. If you notice any tension, soften it. Just let it melt away with your breath. Now, your neck, your shoulders, let them drop away from your ears. Unclench your hands, uncurl your fingers. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Notice how your stomach expands and releases. Continue scanning through your legs down to your feet. Feel the full weight of your body supported by the earth. There is nothing to do right now, nowhere to go. Just this moment. Now bring your awareness back to the breath. You don't need to change it at all. Just notice it. Notice the rhythm, the texture. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. If thoughts come in, that's okay. Let them drift by like clouds in the background. Return back to the breath. Softly, kindly, over and over again. Now ask yourself, quietly, what would it feel like to let go? Just for now. Let go of to-do lists. Let go of the self-judgment. Let go of the need to figure everything out. Breathe into the space that letting go creates. Feel yourself becoming a little lighter, a little freer. You don't have to be anything right now. You don't have to fix anything. Just be. Begin to bring awareness back to the space around you. Feel the air on your skin, the weight of your body. Wiggle your fingers. Gently roll your shoulders. take one last deep, nourishing breath. And whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You've done something good for yourself today. Thank you for showing up. If this brought you peace, feel free to come back anytime. Be well.